U.S. Supreme Court justices have again delayed their decision as to whether or not they're going to hear the case of New Jersey's John Drake, who's fighting for the right to carry a gun in public for self-protection. If the U.S. Supreme Court were to take on this case, it has the potential to allow people to carry guns in public to protect themselves. I'm joined right now by John Drake.
Sabeel, so good to see you again.
Good to see you again. Thanks again. It's been 2 to 3 weeks of back and forth. How are your nerves?
Well, I don't like to use the word shot, but they're certainly challenged. Certainly you're waking up through the night, through the day, anticipation from yourself, as well as it's unbelievable how much support in a good way I'm getting, but it's also unbelievable how many people call and say, geez, did you hear anything yet?
So people want to know even more than you do, right?
It's right.
So your lawyer is down in D.C. right now. Does he think they're actually going to take this case and make history here?
Well, I think all lawyers are cautious enough not to really over-predict what a Supreme Court justices would say or do, but the hopes are high, because we do feel by now if they really were just totally against it as a whole group, they would have booted it by now and denied it.
An interesting side note is that from our reporting on your story, you've actually gotten more business for your ATMs, right? Store owners have called you.
I know. Everybody tells me I should be wearing my company name and logo on there. But yeah, actually it was funny that especially in the North Jersey area, I've had 4 different people call. A little side benefit, of course, would be picking up some business.
John, whether the U.S. Supreme Court decides to hear your case or not, they could, if they decide to hear it, it could be opening a whole can of worms for the entire country, not just for New Jersey. But you're a New Jersey man, and you're stirring things up, and we're going to stick to you and keep chasing this. And hopefully Friday you'll have a decision.
I'm hoping for Friday, and if Monday at the latest. But we're really hoping that we're going to read in the morning that they've decided to hear the case.
All right, John. Well, we'll keep chasing this.
And wonderful. Thank you so much.
Of course.